All right, so one of the things that's going to be really simplify and help an advanced white belt understand his basics is that he establishes or recognizes what are the master keys. Again, the concept behind a master key is I can have several keys to open the doors, but if I have one master key that opens several doors, that's what I would want to use. So under basics, we have this master key logo here. And what that means is I have actually 5 master keys in basics. In positions, it's being neutral. Okay? In maneuvering, it's launching or pushing off of the surface prior to whatever maneuver that I'm going to do, which we talked about a minute ago being the steps and the drags. I'm going to launch to step and launch to drag. Okay? And then for using my weapons, I'm going to thrust, I'm going to hammer, and I'm going to whip. And I can do that with a hand sword, with a fist, with the forearm, with the elbow. I can thrust the knee, and I can thrust with the foot or kick. And then we have some ways that we can whip with the foot, okay, and we can hammer with the foot. So we don't normally use those when we talk legs as much because it's a little confusing, but it's exactly the same. All right?